Sabi nila, sa lab, unexpected things happen. And that happened when I met you.
Okay, class? Class, this is your new classmate, Mark, a transfer student from ASI.
You were always there to make me happy. Nandyan ka palagi para pasayahin ako. You were my knight and shining armor. Things were perfect, and we were happy. But when love seems perfect, bad things happen. But when bad things happen, that doesn't mean it's the end. Unexpected love arrives.
Pagmasdan ang ulan, unti-unting pumapatak sa mga halaman at mga bulaklak. Pagmasdan ang dilim, unti-unting bumabalot sa buong paligid tuwing umuulan. Kasabay ng ulan, bumubuhos ang iyong ganda. Kasabay rin ng hangin kumakanta. Buhos na ulan na aking mundo'y
You taught me that love is unconditional.
tulad ng pagkagusto, di mapipigil.
And that's why I love you.